I know that most of you don't like to watch me winning or having winning weeks. Most of you like to watch when people losing, and that's completely fine. But this week, I'm gonna show you my winning week, finally, after losing streak of, I believe, 3 months. So let's get hop on my screen. I'm gonna show you my screen. I'm gonna show you my trades, which happened this week. Non-edited, not structures. I'm just me talking to the camera for it's as real as possible, and you make the judgment. So, what I'm doing is I'm tracking my trades to Discord. Very, very simple. You can create your own Discord, sort of like a group, and you can just put a screenshot or download the image before and after the trades. Sometimes if I don't like the image before the trade, I just post it after the trade and then see what actually happened there. So this is a great way to track your trades. So I had a USD JPY, took it because of 2-hour engulfing and 30-minute shift of structure. So this will obviously get to my daily resistance, and I took this trade, and this was a winning trade, I believe. Yes, this was winning. This was 1, 2, 3. But if I hold it a little longer, which I wanted to, but obviously things change. I think it was a Thursday or Friday already, and I didn't want to hold it any more longer. So I closed this. It was 1, 2, 3. So a very nice trade. I also took AUD USD, mainly because if USD JPY or USD Swiss franc or USD CAD going down, then the AUD USD or Euro USD going up. It's like correlated. Not every time, most of the time, I would say 70 to 80%, that's what's happening. So I took this trade, AUD USD, and I believe that worked out as well. Yes, AUD USD, and it was 122.5 or something like that. So these beautiful 2 trades happened, and I'm still in this trade, NZD CAD. It was basically a very, very simple trade, break and retest. And I'm still in this trade. You can see, I'm gonna show you where we at, NZD CAD. So this is a daily chart. You can see we turned bullish, and then we had a strong engulfing. I don't know if this camera can, maybe let me do this with this one better. You can see we had a strong engulfing daily candlestick. It came back, retest, and I simply entered the trade. So it was Friday already morning because I was traveling to Australia, so I was watching this trade, but I didn't want to close it yet because I strongly believe we're gonna go all the way down here and potentially even lower. So if this happens, let's go on a 4-hour. Let's go loading. So you can see very, very strong engulfing 4-hour candlesticks. So what I think is gonna happen, we're gonna retest this area again. Let me go on this one. We're gonna retest this area again, and then we're gonna continue down. So we'll see what's gonna happen, but this is a very, very beautiful trade. We'll see what's gonna happen. Next one is GBP NZD, and I'm not in this trade, but I'm waiting to enter this position. If you look at the daily, we're basically retesting the daily support. So we'll see what's going to happen on Monday or Tuesday. I think this potentially can go a little lower before go up, but we'll see on Monday or Tuesday. Daily, NZD USD, basically similar to trade to NZD CAD, break and retest. You can see we turn nicely bearish. So now currently we're retesting the daily resistance now. So I'm waiting for this to do something like this, boom, and then we're gonna sell, but we'll see what's gonna happen again on Monday or Tuesday. Next one, we have GBP CAD, again, break and retest, come to this resistance and sell. Potentially it can come all the way up here, but we'll see if I get my entry signal. Euro USD, basically same thing as NZD USD, waiting for the retest and then sell. I could already enter this trade on Friday, but considering it was Friday, and if you've been trading for some time, that you know some weird things happens on Friday, so I didn't want to enter that. But what I'm waiting for, again, retest and then sell. GBP, JPY, I believe I really like this trade. Let me see. Yes, same thing basically. We currently broke, and I'm just waiting for the retest. So something like this to be able to sell afterwards. Beautiful trade if we're gonna get there. AUD CAD, same thing here. What I'm waiting for is just, even that this is still bullish on the daily, which is currently, I believe, yes, currently 4 hours bearish. So I'm waiting for this to retest this area and then sell. But we will see what's gonna happen, if I'm gonna get strong rejection or not, because you know daily is still bullish, so I'm still not sure. Even that weekly is still bearish, or well, now it's technically bullish, but we'll see. I believe we can still go all the way down here. NZJPY, same thing like GBP JPY, just retest this area and then sell. And USD JPY, what I'm waiting for is to come to this area to then buy, but we will see what's gonna happen as well, because USD JPY coming to the weekly support, so it should bounce, but if I'm not gonna get my entry signal, then I won't buy it. So that's it. That's the update for the following week and for what happened for the last week. I hope you trade well for the next week and the last week, and I'll see you guys in the next video, because I have nothing else to say. I'm still tired from the travel. I've traveled for 2 days from Vietnam, Da Nang, and I have to tell you, I had to travel from Da Nang to Ho Chi Minh at 4 a.m. in the morning, and then catch a plane from Ho Chi Minh to Bali, wait the whole day. I arrive 12 o'clock afternoon, wait the whole day until, I believe, 11 o'clock at night, and then hop on a plane from Bali to Australia, to Kent, where I'm currently, and it's just raining all day, and I haven't slept properly for 2 days. So I think I deserve some good sleep tonight again. But for now, I'm just gonna chill, and then excited for tomorrow or next week trades. So this is where I'm staying. It's very green. It's very beautiful. So I'm gonna be staying here for the next 2 months before I go back to Philippines, because Philippines is the best country for me right now. So that's where I'm going, and I don't know what else to say. That's really it. You know, I can show you here. It's this beautiful pool. You can see that, you know, with the water feature, and it's quite nice. That place is kind of needs to be restored or something. I don't know, but let's try out for you, mate. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.